Hi everyone! Today I want to share one of the supplements I have been loving lately. This is the Vitamax Keto Burn GLP-1 formula. I have been using this for over 2 months now and I love this product. Let me show you the bottle. On the front, you can see it is made to support your metabolism and your weight management. And when you turn it around, you can read all the details on the label. It has some really nice ingredients inside. It includes berberine, BHB ketones, apple cider vinegar, and probiotics, all in one simple capsule. I love that it supports appetite management, metabolic wellness, and also my digestive and gut health. These are the capsules. They are easy to take, and I just have them as part of my daily routine. No powders, no mixing, nothing complicated. I take it every day, and it has become a natural part of my healthy habits. If you are looking for a simple way to support your wellness, this one has been a great fit for me. You can check it out at the link, and I hope you love it as much as I do.